All people, by the way. Qibla's over there. There's signs like this everywhere. Yep, that is Arafat. There is a whole bunch of people there.
আপনারা এখানে হারা করে দিয়ে আমি একবার উপরে যাবো বেরাত করতে করতে আমি উপরে তো বিলাই করব
আমি আসি লগে না তারা পারতা নাই তারা পারতা Ubain, bye, Ubain. I've done the best prayer I could probably ever do. Inshallah, it gets accepted. Now going to the top, trying to go to the top of the Mount Arafat. It is pretty crazy. Alhamdulillah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Sabar Haji, sabar. Ya Allah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Bloody hell, people need to close their legs. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Go on, sabar, sabar, sabar yani. Ya Haji, sabar. Allah. Okay, come on, hold on to me. Yeah? Okay? Come on, come. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Ya Allah. Let me get to the top. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. La sharika lak.
هو عبد السلام ولنا في مكان هو
هنا كله قاعد كيف بتنزل؟ لازم زحمة هنا ايش فيه؟ Exhausted. This has been a hot spot, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar. Inna alhamda wa ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Inna alhamda wa ni'mata laka wal mulk. Jazakallah khair. La sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Huh? Oh, jazakallah khair, jazakallah khair. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika lak labbaik. Innal hamd. I don't know what's being recorded and what's not, but it's all recorded from my pouch. So I've managed to get the phone on my hands because I've got an umbrella in my hand. On top of umbrella, I've got to climb up that hill up there. Looks pretty crazy, right? So whoa, look, see, brothers are falling there. It's crazy. I had to go that way though. All these people are camped out here and selling stuff. It's pretty crazy. Oh. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. It's crazy. It's crazy. No, Haji, Haji. Haji, Haji, Haji. Coming through. And the Haji. Yeah. Pretty hectic. All the way at the top. It's actually pretty peaceful. This part is just the dangerous part because, well, that good thing is, alhamdulillah, I haven't broke my ankle yet. Went all the way to the top, did a few very, very long prayers. Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah. Oh. Well, for whoever that prayed for, inshallah, prayed for everyone to come visit this place. Inshallah, it's answered. And you'll see it's amazing. But don't climb the cliff, only the men climb the cliff. Women impossible, death wish. But there's still a few women up there. Managed to come to the bottom now. Others are praying everywhere. I was up there, all the way to the top. You can't see the top from here, but yeah, you can. It's there, right there. I was up there, all the way there, past that really. But yeah, alhamdulillah. Went there with ease, came back with ease. Just spraying water because it's hot. It's like 40 degrees plus. And I went all the way up the mountain with an umbrella. Believe that. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. It's amazing. Little documentary for everyone at home to see. Wish everyone could be here. But hey, inshallah, next year. That's where I've just been up there. Just come down from there. Did at least an hour minimum. Prayed for everything that I could think of. Just gonna come for a drink because I'm knackered, dehydrated. Spoke to mum, so I'm delighted. Didn't have any credit on my phone, but somehow spoke to mum. Alhamdulillah. New beginning, inshallah.